Kamvas Slate 11 Review. Can this tiny tablet replace your whole art studio? Ever feel like your creativity's held hostage by outdated, clunky tech? You fire up your tablet, ready to sketch brilliance, and boom, lag. Apps freeze. The pen stutters. You're chained to your desk or stuck dragging around a laptop just to draw. Motivation? Gone. The spark? Extinguished by annoying setup, tangled cables, and tools that seem designed to slow you down. It's frustrating. You want to create in the cafe, on the train, in bed, anywhere. But your gear makes every creative session feel like a battle. Sound familiar? If you're sick of wasting time fighting your tools, it's time for a serious glow-up. Let's be real, it's not just annoying. It's damaging. Those deadlines aren't getting any softer. That burnout? Creeping closer every late night spent babysitting a frozen screen or recharging some outdated dinosaur. You're losing time, missing creative windows, and watching golden opportunities slip through your fingers. You should be producing brilliance, not troubleshooting glitches. The stress builds. That quick sketch becomes a 3-hour meltdown. Multitasking? More like multi-crashing. The worst part? You start blaming yourself. Like maybe you've lost your touch. Nope, it's not you. It's your tech. And every day you delay upgrading, you're paying the price in sanity and missed shots at greatness. Enter the Huion Kamvas Slate 11, your portable creative command center. This isn't your grandma's drawing tablet. The Kamvas Slate 11 is a fully standalone Android 14 beast with a silky smooth 90Hz refresh rate and a dreamy 10.95-inch anti-glare screen that feels like paper, minus the smudge. Powered by a Helio G99 processor with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, expandable to a jaw-dropping 1TB, this sleek slab of genius fits in your backpack and runs without a computer. It's got your favorite drawing apps pre-installed, and that H-pencil? It's next-level accurate. 4096 levels of pressure with tilt that feels freakishly real. Sketch, animate, design, no limits, no wires, no excuses. This tablet doesn't just keep up, it speeds you up. Imagine multitasking with split screens, sketching for hours with zero eye strain thanks to the soft light nano-etched display, and actually enjoying your workflow again. Kamvas Slate 11 is featherlight, just 500 grams, ultra-thin, 7.5 millimeters, and ready to roll whenever inspiration hits. Built for mobile creatives, this isn't just a productivity tool, it's your personal studio that fits in one hand. And before you think, but will it really replace my laptop, just read the reviews. Thousands of creators have already made the switch, and they're not looking back. If you want razor-sharp focus and buttery performance, this is your golden ticket. Don't wait, your best ideas won't. The Kamvas Slate 11 isn't just trending, it's flying off shelves. Artists, students, designers, and dreamers worldwide are ditching bulky gear for this sleek little powerhouse. There's only one catch, it sells fast. Like, crazy fast. So if you're ready to create on your terms, with no cords, no limits, and no stress, grab yours now. You've waited long enough to break free from creative bottlenecks. This is your moment. Hit that link, join the movement, and let your talent run wild. Your next masterpiece deserves more than a glitchy setup. It deserves the Kamvas Slate 11. Create bold. Create everywhere.